rare, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll get.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we'll be taking a look at the Air Jordan 4 Fear, man. Now, these things are sitting around at a lot of locations. Some people do think that eventually they will sell out. You know, I don't know. It's just kind of a weird time for them to be dropping these, but we'll talk about that. But today you will not be getting the on feet like you always do. These are for my neighbor, for his daughter, and I do not want to have my daughter put them on feet or anything like that. This is a grade school pair. But before we get up into any detailed look or review of the Air Jordan 4 Fear, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are right under 20K. I know I keep saying that, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for the love and support and hitting that like button. It goes a long way, and I really appreciate it. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the box, and then we'll dive off into the sneaker. So as you guys can see, this is the box, and it does look exactly like the men's pair. So they do give us the same thing with the font and everything on it. We have the side that's a little bit lighter than the black on the upper. And then here's the size tag right here. If you want to legit check a pair or look at it, this is a grade school pair, as I said. But as you open up this box, nothing but the white paper with the of course, you got the sticker on it that don't come with the men's pair, but the white paper with the font on it, and then just a typical white paper, and it does have that quality control sticker in there as well. All right, so starting with the sneaker, it is just standard Jordan 4, but they do give us a bunch of different color variations. Not so much as bright colors, but they stayed within that gray and that black hues or whatever. These did drop in the middle of November. A lot of people thought they was going to drop in October, hence the Fear 4 thing, but they didn't do that. But as we look at the back end, do give us that white Jumpman logo, no Nike branding on it, with the black heel tab right there. You have a white sock liner here, which is cool. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's not that big of a deal. On the tongue, we do have the white Jumpman patch with the black Jumpman logo with the flight right there. You have your black laces. Only one set of laces that I could see with the grade school pair. Comment down below and let me know if the adult sizes have a different one. You have your white eyelets here. You have a soft black nubuck on the upper, and then it gets like into a lighter gray right here, and then it's like really light gray on the toe box. As we go into the gray outsole, you got your gray spickle spackle on the sides right down there, and then on the back end you have the black and white spickle spackle. On the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing, and then on the bottom you do have that white and that black when it comes to the bottom of these things. Now this is going to be your left one, and then here's your right one right here. So as you guys can see, for both sides, it's not a bad sneaker. In my opinion, it's not one for me. I didn't like the White Thunder either, but honestly, if you do not have the White Thunder and you're looking for something that's affordable and that's a Jordan 4 as well, you can't go wrong with these, man. Very good blend. You got the Oreo blend, pretty much just like the White Thunder. And like I said, it is sitting. So very affordable sneaker. A lot of people was anticipating waiting for this thing, but I just feel like they dropped it at the wrong time, just because there's so much other stuff that's going to be dropping and that's releasing right now, and people are just kind of saving their money. But people will reach back and grab these, and yes, I do agree, eventually they will be sold out. But y'all comment down below in the comment section, let me know what are your thoughts and opinions. Did you cop these things? Let me know how you feel about the Air Jordan 4 Fear. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.